It's so hot right now. Oh my. It's about to be 7 p.m. and it's hot. Oh man, but it's 4th of July. So I was like, you know what? I haven't really done any 4th of July cooks in a while. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get the Star Spangled Kettle out, get it going. What I got going right now is I got some HEB charcoal briquettes, and then I'm going to be grilling some split chicken leg quarters. All right, so split chicken leg quarters, they're split pretty much, like, I don't want to say like halfway down the middle, so they kind of lay out more flat, more even. Better that way to even the cook a lot faster. So I'm going to grill them. That's what I'm going to do. And I got some corn, going to grill some corn, some sausage. So that's what I got going. We'll see if it goes into the night. Maybe we'll see some fireworks. I don't know. We'll see. But so for right now, let's just try to keep cool. All right. So let's continue on. All right. So, all right. That's pretty hot right there. So, grab it right. All right there. Just like that. Feels winter time. Keep cool. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. Got me a 2-zone, hot side right here, cool side right here. So I'm gonna put the cooking grate back on, and then I'm gonna keep only one vent open. As you can see, there's one vent right there. There's another vent right here, another one right here. Those are gonna stay closed. There's 3 vents on the bottom. So it's to be like that. All right. Let's get some of this cleaned out, right? All right. So it's just like a leg quarter, right? But it's pretty much split in half. I got me 4 of them. Right now I'm gonna go meat side down, give you a better look. All right, skin on still. All right, so gonna let it grill and then bring it back. All right, let's give it a flip. How's that look? Pretty hot in the middle. Yeah, this one can stay. All right, let's check you out. You can go. Now, these HEB briquettes, I don't want to say that they're the best, right? But they'll have to do for right now. And what I did season it with is Arnie Asada OG. My sister, her husband, gave me this Father's Day. Say, when I tasted it, oh man, it just blew my mind away. It tastes so good. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this on this chicken. So that's what I got right there on that chicken. It is delicious. But I'll go back to the charcoal. I know I'm going to have to probably add some more charcoal because it's going to burn out. But as you saw, right there in the middle. So I'm just going to close it up for right now. And I did open up another vent in the bottom. So I got 2 vents going and 1 closed. So that's what it looks like so far. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just move these around. All right. Especially get these more hooked. Let's see, look at that. So that middle is the hot spot right now because that's where it kind of bunched up charcoal So put that blame on me, but yeah, we'll keep watching it. Just gave him a flip. Looking good. See the charcoal. So yeah, eventually I'm gonna have to add some more. All right, coming from the back. I'll leave that one on the other side. Smelling good. We're getting there. And coming along. And coming along. You got the sun starting to set behind the trees and the houses. And we got some grilling going on. And we got the corn and the sausage. And we're done. Give it another flip. Whole thing is just managing it and not trying to burn the hell out of this chicken, right? That's just the whole thing. It's just making sure you don't burn it. I mean, little char is good, right? On the bark. Like that flavor. I don't know about y'all if y'all like that, but I do. Gives it flavor. Some say it's burnt, but man, it's good. It's real good. And then just can't go wrong with this beauty right here. Man, it is beautiful, right? What a perfect day to get it out and grill on it. Yep, perfect day. All right, what do you think? Looking good, huh? Looking good. Just flip it around. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them on the cool side for right now. And then what I'm going to do is going to add some more briquettes. Not a lot. You can see it's going to burn out eventually. So I can have the corn and the sausage. So that's what I'm going to do. All right. So I got the corn here. Had them soaked. All right. So we'll see how hot it is, but you can tell that looks beautiful, huh? Look at that. Beautiful. Well, all right, so the chicken is done. Sausage will eventually get there. If not, I can grill it. For the corn, I'm gonna watch them because it is pretty hot on this side. So I'm gonna rotate them. But hey, let's continue on. All right, I've given them a flip already. Yeah. I can smell the corn already. Here's the sausage. It's getting there, it's getting there. It's pumping up. It's pumping up. Yeah. All right. All right. So gonna let it ride for a bit more. Toss it on its side. This one needs to go a little more this side. There we go. Ah, this corn smelling good. But all right. Gonna let it ride for some more. Corn is ready to come off. Yep. It's ready to come off. And I'm ready to eat. Yeah, those H-E-B charcuterie briquettes, it worked out well. Can't complain, but let it cool down and I'm gonna eat. Well, it's starting to get dark. And I don't know if you can hear, but people are already popping off fireworks. So, 4th of July, right? But I really enjoyed this cook. I think the split leg quarters came out perfect. Smell great. They look great. I mean, man, just grill them, flip them. Just watch the heat, you know? And man, they came out. Oh yeah. That's the thigh right there. There's the leg. Oh, dang. Oh man, that is delicious. Just grill them, split. Man, it makes it a lot easier, right? Instead of being whole, the leg quarters. Man, but there we go. Got the corn. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but yep. Oh. Still a little hot. Oh. They're from the corn. So the chicken. All right. You saw the cook. Go out and do the same. Let me know how your cook went. Happy 4th of July. It's time to eat. See some fireworks later. As always, thank you for bye. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Gotta love some corn. See ya.